guys, a very quick answer video for you today. So number 6, put these in order starting with the smallest. So the least amount is the smallest. So in order you should have cough syrup, the conditioner, the cola bottle, the soap bottle, the apple juice, and finally the paint, the brilliant white paint tin. Okay, it's the biggest. Alright, moving on, question 7 says fill in the blanks. So I'll just work across each of the rows. So 4,200 ml is 4 litres 200 mils, and it's 4.2 litres. Next row is 2,500 mils, which is 2 litres 500 mils, which is 2.5 litres. Third row is 6,482 mils, which is 6 litres 482 millilitres. And finally the fourth row, 9,820 mil equals 9 litres 820 millilitres, and that equals 9.82 litres. Alright, and you drop that 0 on the end. Moving on, question 8. 2,987. I'm going very quickly on these, so it's very possible that I have maybe missed the simplest fraction. So if I do, apologise, you can correct me on Google Classroom. 2,987 mil equals 2 and 987 over 1,000 litres. As a decimal, that's 2.987. Next row is 4,350 mils. That equals 4 with 350 over 1,000, which equals 35 over 100, which equals 7 over 20, 720. So 4 and 7/20ths. Third row down, 5,239 mils, and as a decimal that's 5.239. Next row, 7,001 mils, that equals 7 and 1 over 1,000 litres, and that's 7.001 litres. 5 1/4 litres, that equals 5,250 millilitres, and that equals 5.25 litres. If you put in 2.250, that's fine. Next row down, 8,900 millilitres equals 8 and 900 over 1,000, which equals 9 over 10. So 8 and 9/10ths of a litre, and that's 8.9. 692 is 692 over 1,000. Should be able to whittle that down, divide it by 2 to start with. 2, 3, 4, 346 over 500. 346 over 500 would go again. I'm going to leave it there for time. Decimal equals 0.692. Next row, 1,023, 1023 millilitres, and that equals 1.023 litres. And then next up, last one for question number 8 is 5,027, 5027 millilitres, that equals 5 and 27 over 1,000 litres equals 5.027. Now if we move on, we've got how would you compare the cost of champagne and lemonade. I've already given you a big clue on that one. For that, you would compare them by getting the cost per probably go per 100 mils. So you would find the cost of a champagne bottle, whatever it is. If it's usually about, off the top of my head, about 750 millilitres for a bottle of champagne, I think. So if you take the cost and divide it to get the cost per 100 mils, take your lemonade bottle or tin and work out its cost per 100 mils as well. I have no costs that I know for either. Next time at the shop I will have a look and will let you know what that is. Moving on, question 10. It says find the price of a 1 litre container of milk and the price of a 2 litre container of milk. Is it cheaper to buy the 2 litre container? It is. Off the top of my head, it's about 80 or 90 cents for a 1 litre bottle of, or 1 litre container of milk, and for 2 litres it comes in at about 140, 150, €1.50. So it is cheaper to buy the 2 litres than the 1 litres, okay, usually. Number 11 says, find an empty 330ml can and a 2 litre bottle. How many cans can be filled from the bottle? Let's add them up. 330, 660, 990, 990, 1020, 1320, 1320, 1650, 1650, 1980. Six bottles. So 6 cans, 6 cans can be filled from the bottle. You would still have about 20 mils left over, but it wouldn't fill a bottle. So you can get six tins worth. Question B then says, find a drink that is sold in these 2 containers and compare the cost. Again, not really sure. I don't really buy too many soft drinks, so I wouldn't really know. 330ml can, probably, I have no idea how much a can costs these days. Probably about €1.20 or something. On a 2 litre bottle, probably €2-3. No idea. I'll have a look next time I'm in the shop. Again, if you can get the answers for them or you know the cost of them, I'd love to see it. Maybe throw it up onto Google Classroom. Let me know what you get. The puzzler today, really worth trying it. If you want to try it, then try it. Pause the video. Don't listen for now. Give it a go. See can you work it out, and then you can come back and listen to the next bit because this is a spoiler alert. The puzzler. You have a 5 litre bottle and a 7 litre bottle that you can fill and empty as often as you like. You can pour from one to the other, refill, pour away as much as you need. The bottles do not have a regular shape. How can you measure 1 litre of water? So you need to get 1 litre of water. You have a 5 litre and a 7 litre. So for this one, you want just 1 litre's worth. So take your 5 litre bottle, fill it, pour it into the 7 litre bottle. So now you have 5 litres worth in a 7 litre bottle. Refill the 5 litre bottle from the tap and pour it into the 7 litre bottle. At this stage, when the 7 litre bottle is full, you will have 300 milliliter or 3 litres left in 5 litre, and the 7 litre is full. Pour out the 7 litres, pour the 3 litres into the 7, then go refill the 5 litre bottle, and that 5 litre bottle is now going to go into the 7 litre bottle, but it already has 3 litres worth in it. So it only needs 4 litres to fill. So take your 5 litres, 4 litres is going to be used to fill up the 7 litre bottle. So you pour it. Once the 7 litre bottle is full, inside your 5 litre bottle will be 1 litre of water left. And that's how you can measure 1 litre of water. Job done. And that's math done for Thursday. Well done, guys.